everyone, this is Snoopyholic, and today I would like to explain about using Gaiwan according to the height. Look, like this one is low, and this one is low and wide, and this one is high and narrow, right? I would like to explain what is difference between these two, and also how to grab Gaiwan and use it. So, see you soon! It's good to see you back. And yes, let me explain about what I just mentioned, using Gaiwan according to the shape. And I have these three different types of Gaiwan. I will start from here. Among these three, if you see, this is the lowest, and this is a bit higher, and this is a bit taller, right? And this also is the widest. This also is the widest, and this is middle, and this is the narrowest. So these are different types of Gaiwan, I would say. This one is low and wide. This one is kind of middle sized, and this one is like quite small, to be honest, but still it has a very some degree of height, and then it's very narrow amongst these three. So these are three different type of Gaiwan, I would say. And so yeah, I will show you again. Like this is the kind of low and wide. And if you want to emphasize the taste of the tea, this low and wide is better, because once you brew the tea in here, tea is basically made of these two important things. One is taste, and two is smell, I mean the scent. So if you want to emphasize the taste, that means you pour the hot water here, and then scent will, like, it's because it's wide, it goes like quickly away. So more of the taste will remain here, in here. So that's some kind of taste of your taste of own. If you like to enjoy the taste better than the scent, then this will be good option. And secondly, no, actually I will tell about this. This one here is higher. It's higher and very narrow. Like, should I compare? Like this, like, right? It's narrower and taller than this, right? In this case, if you want to enjoy more scent rather than the taste, this will be good option, because this can gather the scent, because the time, once you pour the hot water, the scent will evaporate, right? But the time of evaporating is a bit slowing down, because it's higher, so it takes more time to evaporate than the lower one. So if you want to enjoy the most of the scent or smell, nice smell of the tea, then narrow and higher Gaiwan will be good option, something like this. But you know, we all want to good taste and good scent, right? So just a standard Gaiwan like this will be your good option too. It's just compared to these two, this has a kind of modest width and also the height as well. It's not especially tall or low or anything, so it will reveal a standard taste of the tea. So I don't know, it's up to you to whichever way choose what is good for you. If you have this tea has a very good taste but still a subtler smell than the taste, then maybe you can use this. Then you can enhance the smell or scent of the tea using this. Or the other way, like if you have this really strong scent but very subtle taste, then maybe you can use this, then press down a little bit of scent, but taste will remain a bit stronger here, so maybe that will kind of even taste. I don't know. Or like the other way, if you want strong taste, then just use it. And then you want like strong scent or smell, especially if you drink dancong, then that's something that you wanna enhance, like really emphasize the scent or smell. Then this could be very good option for in your purpose, matching your purpose, I think. Now, how to hold the Gaiwan, that's another issue for those who's not used to using this. So I'm going to just use this standard Gaiwan. What you do, like if you get the Gaiwan from the first place, if you see this body and the top, it's not perfect match. It's somehow a little bit twisted here. It's because it needs a gap to tea. When you pour the tea comes out, that's why it is not perfectly fit. Because if it's perfectly fit, then I think because of the air pressure or something, according to the temperature and stuff, heat and stuff, it is stuck like this, and it doesn't. Even if you try to pour water, it wouldn't come out. So this is normal. So remember that. Don't think it's not something wrong or anything. And then you hold it like this. You have your index finger here on the top, or whichever you want, like this or I don't know, this, whatever you want. And then have your thumb here, and then middle finger here. And other two, you can do whatever you want. But many people, if you want to use it really steadily, some people have this little finger here, and so that it can be, it's quite steady like this. So beware that. But sometimes this could be very hot, so you have to be careful. Oh, and then for when you buy your Gaiwan, if you have a higher this part, that means the heat comes later, so it's a bit less hot to use, so it's easier to grab and everything. But on the other hand, if it's too short, it's really hot, so your finger is quite burned sometimes. I several times burnt my finger. Well, not like seriously, but still I have like blister and stuff, so be careful and choose wisely when you buy your Gaiwan. So yeah, like that. It's very easy, like this, and just pour it. And yeah, I will actually show you drinking tea, actual tea. I want to drink my last tea and guanyin that from last year. I am looking forward to drink some new tea and guanyin this year, but it hasn't arrived yet. So yeah, I'm going to finish tea and guanyin from last year first. And also, I'm gonna eat something very sweet and nice, which is this. And this is kind of, I don't know, mochi? Mochi is like a rice cake, chewy rice cake. And because it's a season for strawberry, it has a strawberry inside. Let me show you. I'm quite excited. Whew. Ta-da! Look, it has a strawberry and some red bean paste, sweet, and it's covered by the rice cake. That's also very nice. And let me have a bite. It's quite sweet and it has a nice strawberry taste. It's nice. I think it's very good for tea food. I think it's going to be goes quite well. So let me brew the tea actually and see so that you can see how you can use the Gaiwan actually when the tea is inside. Usually I heat up the cup, but because I'm going to rinse this tea leaf quickly, so I'm going to just do it at once. Heat up and then rinsing the leaf. So as you can, no, I will quickly get this done. As you can see, you just hold it like this. Thumb, index finger, and middle finger, and the other two. And if you want, you can do this too. Goes like this. I will show you again. This can go. Last tea and guanyin, huh? But I can't wait to drink new tea and guanyin of the 2019. So pour the water and have the top on, and index, thumb, and middle the side. I don't know if you can see this. like that and pour. Yeah, if you put this like really too tight, then it doesn't leak out. So you have to somehow made a gap, like I explained. And yeah, like this. Can you see? Thumb, index, middle, and the others are playing around. You can do like this too, because it's then it's steadier than not having pinky finger there. So yeah, that's all. Tea is ready. You just drink it. Yeah, I think because it's the last tea guanyin that I've been kept for 1 year, this is not like super really nice scent or anything like that, but still has a very oolong tea-like taste. And also still got that tea guanyin spirit in here. Nice. And yes, this mochi is going to finish. Tasty, 맛있어. Okay everyone, this is it for today, and thank you very much for watching. And if you have any question about tea time, please leave the comment below, and so that I can get back to you and also having some communication. And yes, I always appreciate that you were coming here and watch this video, and somehow we are connected. Thank you very much again, and yes, do come back and hang out again with me and have a tea time. Okay, so until next time, please enjoy your tea time of your own, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.